Well, hey YouTube, I finally got a few things in the mail I've been waiting on to help with the radio project here, and figured I'd open them up and we'll take a look at them together. See, I'm going to pull this off camera for a minute and so I can go ahead and cut through the rest of this plastic. Or at least three sides of it. Well, yeah, I can only cut through three sides of it. Alright. This here I ordered a couple of weeks ago, and it come in about a week ago. But I got some veneer. Supposed to be 20 or 30 pieces of it. I don't know, all different kinds. I'm hoping there's at least two of the kinds that I need for the radio there. Well, there's mahogany. That's not quite what the kind of mahogany look I was looking for. I'm looking for that striped stuff. There's another two sheets of it there. But it might not even be mahogany. Heck, it might be some other kind of wood. Alright, well, I've got walnut. I know I need that. And there. That looks like a cross between walnut and mahogany. Now this looks like it could be a possibility for that diagonal pieces. It's kind of striped and whatnot. I don't know. Let me look through the rest, flip through the rest of these right quick. Let's see. See if I can find anything that looks better. And if worse comes worse, I might just end up taking it and putting a piece on there that closely, kindly matches, and then drawing the stripes in if I need to. Okay, that's a little bit closer to the radio colors. Yeah, as is that. I'm not really seeing. Yeah, they're, like I said, they said they were all assorted, and they are, but they showed in there that you may not receive exactly what the picture shows, and of course the one that it's missing is the one that I wanted. Oh well. I say I've got that there. But let me go ahead and get the next thing up here I picked up. Let me shut you off for a second. Alright, now this here I ordered off of eBay, and it just arrived this past weekend here, Saturday. And I went to Harbor Freight and looked at the price they had on ultrasonic cleaners. Because I've seen the ones other folks have used and kind of liked them, but Harbor Freight wanted $80 for that little ultrasonic cleaner that I've seen other folks use. So I went on eBay, and they had one on an auction. It was new, but they had it up for auction instead of buy it now. If you bought it now, it was like $119. I ended up getting this one for $66. And it holds a considerable amount more than the ones. The one from Harbor Freight said it held 2.5 liters. This one here is a 5 liter ultrasonic cleaner. And I can use this not only for radio work, but for auto parts and whatnot. I was glad to get it. So I got this actually for less, like I say, than what Harbor Freight wanted for that little one of theirs. There's the cord come with it. The basket for it here. I can put that tuning capacitor in here. I think I'll get it cleaned up. I think they lied though. There's no way in the world that holds 5 liters. It might hold 3. But that's okay. Like I say, it was still less than the one that Harbor Freight offered. And it looks like it's a little bit more heavily built than what the one they had. So. We'll go ahead and be happy with that. Let me set this off to the side. I got one more thing. And I'll be right back again. Now this just came today, and this is another auction from eBay. I think I bid, my maximum bid was $66 and I got this for $61. And it looks like it's, well, it's not double packaged or anything, but hopefully it'll be alright. It's not a radio. What I had been wanting for a while was a smaller tube tester than that great big Hickok that I've got. Of course, you remember with that Hickok that the optical socket in it had a short in it, and me not wanting to dig inside of there and mess around with that thing, I just wanted a little emissions tester. I saw this one, so I went for it. It said it was from an estate sale, and it's pretty clean. Now they also said it came with the instructions and stuff, but I don't see them. Maybe it's still down in the box somewhere, but I didn't see anything. No. I'll have to ride them back and ask what happened to that. Looks like it might need a new shorts bulb in it or something. But here it is right here. It's just a little Philco emissions tester. Tube tester. And they got it for a better price than I did at their estate sale, because it still got the price tag on it of $35. And it has the grid cap wire there. Looks like the top of the meter here has got a crack in it. We've got a missing a piece there. But I will certainly get on there and tell them, hey, this is not the one that not what y'all said it was, because it doesn't come with the paperwork and stuff. That's specifically the one I bid it on. They had 3 of them up there, and the other 2 looked like they was in a lot worse shape. But hopefully that one will work, and if it don't, well, I can go through and I don't mind opening it up no more than I gave for it. I can see what all I need to fix in it and everything. So I hadn't really done anything new to the radio, because I've just been waiting on that veneer to come in, and then waiting on that stuff, and I just haven't really felt like doing much of anything lately. Done a lot of inside work and stuff, and I got Mom her back's been hurting her for a while. She got degenerative disc disease, she said. I read a whole lot on them inversion tables, and I got her one of those, and she said it's really helping a lot, so I'm happy for that. I put that thing together here, I think it was last Friday, but I'll just show a picture of it when I go in the house here. But that's about all I've got for right now. I don't know any more new news or anything else, so I'll just say this is Gary signing off, and thanks for watching. And like I said there, here's that inversion table I got from Mother and got put together. It seems to work pretty well. Like I say, she says it's really been helping, so I say it was $97 on Amazon, but hey, small price to pay if her back's feeling better, right? Alright, well, once again, this is Gary signing off. Thanks for watching.